Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin with the essentials. Verify that both machines allow display changes and that you have admin or appropriate user rights. Once confirmed, open Remote Desktop Connection, MSDSC, and either connect or save an RDP file to edit. Make sure you open display options and note the current resolution and scaling. This tells you what to change and why. Next, set the display slider to a matching resolution and check the box for Use all my monitors if multi-screen is needed. Then save the session. Now fine-tune DPI and font scaling so text appears correctly. On the client, edit the RDP file, add or modify desktop width, desktop height, and set smart sizing, I1 if available. This preserves layout when resizing. Once connected, go to Remote Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Display, and set scale to the same percentage used locally. This prevents fuzzy fonts. For server sessions, also check Group Policy or Registry DPI overrides. These ensure consistent font size across. Finish by reconnecting and verifying results. Open Control Panel, right arrow Display, right arrow, adjust Clear Type to sharpen text and check application font sizes. If text is still wrong, toggle RDP experience options like disabling bitmap caching or enabling persistent bitmap caching depending on performance. These affect rendering. Make sure your remote graphics drivers and the RDP client are up to date. If problems persist, use application compatibility flags for DPI awareness or revert to a different scale percentage and reconnect to force re-rendering.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.